Hey everyone, Meg here with I Teach Stamping. Let's make a card. We're going to start by coloring in letters from a die cut word, and then also on another piece of white cardstock, I'm going to be drawing out circles of different sizes. Then I'm going to change over to the next color and then do the same thing. Now, I am getting to use an awesome set of markers, and you might be wondering what makes them so awesome. Y'all, how exciting is this? I got to put together this collection of marker colors from OLO markers. So this is the Summer Colors Blending Selection 1. I love these colors so much. It was so much fun putting these colors together into a collection for you guys. And this is one of 2 different collections. Make sure to check out my link in bio to learn more about it and see all these colors in their full glory. All right, so we're going to go through and finish coloring in our letters and also adding our circles onto our background paper. And I'm going to run out of letters before I run out of colors because there's 12 in this collection. So once I finish doing my letters, then I'm just going to focus on the background and we'll color in more polka dots. It's going to look adorable and then we'll be ready to move on. This is another card where it really proves you don't have to have a ton of supplies in order to make beautiful handmade cards. All right, now that all of our coloring is done, let's bring in our card base. I'm going to take a piece of white cardstock, fold it in half, use my bone folder, get a nice crisp edge, use some foam adhesive to add this on top. Then we'll add our die cut word onto the outline for our die cut and then use more foam adhesive to add it to our card. And just like that, we've made this gorgeous color using OLO markers and white cardstock. Like and follow I Teach Stamping for more ideas and inspiration.